underwater locator beacon detector is a hydrophone, which when submerged under the water, it will pick up the acoustic signal emitted by the underwater locator beacon attached to a flight data recorder. Right. So as we rotate the hydrophone underwater, the amplitude of the acoustic signal will vary depending on whether we are pointing directly at the underwater locator beacon or not. And the operator will have to discern when the loudest signal is being heard. And since he knows his location, and with that information of the azimuth of the loudest signal heard, repeating this process a few times and through a process called triangulation, we can actually come up with location where there's a high probability that the underwater locator beacon is located.
This is ULT, underwater locator beacon. It's a transmitter with a battery, and actually it works under the water. This is the positive side of the battery, and this is the negative side. And yes, and water works as a medium. When it's fall inside the water, then this positive and negative it can complete its circuit, and it transmit the frequency, and then with using the instrument we can find out where is it's located, and it gives the battery it gives the backup for 120 days, and it fixed with the CVR, cockpit voice recorder, to find out the CVR very easily. Finish.
How long it will transmit that?
120 days. 120 days.
Previously it was 90 days, yeah?
Yeah, 30 days. Previously.
30 days, okay, 30 days.
And okay, and this is the replaced battery by end of. This is the date. After this validity, it should be changed.
Finding the black boxes in the water, and the black boxes have a pinger on them, which is identical to this type of pinger we have here, which sends out a pulse through the water, acoustic pulse when it's in the water. It's activated by the seawater, and we use these on commercial ships also. A lot of people don't know that shipping also have black boxes, and they use identical pinger. So this is what it looks like, and basically inside there's a battery from about here to here, and the rest of it is the actual acoustic beacon. Battery access. So basically what we have here is the outer casing, and in here we have the battery terminal, and when the beacon goes into the water we get a bridge across here which activates it, and we routinely have to check these things when we do surveys, and the way we check it is we use a beacon tester. So I thought I'd just use that, give you a bit of a demo and show you what it sounds like when it's in the water. So I'm not actually going to put this one in the water, this is a new one, we don't want to activate it. But so all we do is we put a little test clamp on, and here's our ping tester, and we stick it on the middle probe, and this basically simulates the pinger going into the water. So we'll activate it now, and there we go. That's what it sounds like. I'll bring up the camera closer so you can hear. And that's it. So that's what one of these pingers look like. There's a pen, give you an idea of the rough size of it, and yeah, I thought that was quite interesting. Enjoy.